Well, a big reveal for our banana ice cream. We'll see how it turns out. So I can get the lid off. There we go. Well, it looks good.
It's nice and hard.
It's very hard, that's for sure.
Is that a Pampered Chef ice cream scoop too?
It is. It works great. Even when the ice cream is very hard. All right, Samantha, let's do our taste testing on our Pampered Chef plates again. I think the plates are something I bought a long time ago, but they work great for desserts. Oh, it's perfect. It turned out very, very good.
Tastes like a banana popsicle.
It does, actually. And the banana chocolate, the chocolate covered bananas, worked out really well. They're delicious. Yeah, that's perfect. Well, I think everybody will love this recipe and the ice cream. It tastes perfect. Tastes just like a banana popsicle if you like banana popsicles.